Have you ever wanted to use Linux, but you don't want to completely remove Windows from your computer? Maybe you need Windows for gaming, Microsoft Office, or other applications. But you also want to learn Linux, programming, cybersecurity, or server administration. Well, there's a solution for that. It's called dual booting. In this video, I will show you how to install Linux alongside Windows 11 so that whenever you start your computer, you can choose whether you want to use Windows 11 or Linux. So before we begin, let's look at what you need. Number 1, a Windows 11 PC. Number 2, a USB flash drive. I recommend using a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage. Number 3, enough free disk space, at least 30 GB for the Linux. And number 4, don't forget to back up your important data. Next, you need to decide which Linux distribution you want to install. If you are completely new to Linux, I recommend starting with something beginner friendly such as Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Fedora. Now, Fedora is particularly known for shipping cutting-edge technology. In this video, we will go with Fedora, but we will use the KDE flavor of Fedora, which has a similar interface like Windows 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and open any web browser and go to the Fedora official website, which is the fedoraproject.org. And on this page, if you scroll down, you can find different flavor of the Fedora distribution. Now we need to download this KDE Plasma desktop, so click on download now. And we need to download this live ISO. Click on this download button and the ISO file will be downloaded on your system. So it will take some time based on your internet connection. So after that, once the ISO file is downloaded, we need to make this ISO file bootable, and for that we need a write tool. So for the write tool, we will use Rafas. So let's go to the Rafas website and download the exe file and save it on your computer. Okay, so we have the ISO file and Rafas downloaded on our system. Now open Rafas. And from the device section, you need to select the USB drive. After that, click on select and browse to the Fedora ISO. Then come to the partition scheme, and from here you have two options, MBR and GPT. Now if you are using older generation of computer, you can select MBR, and if you have newer generation of computer, you should go with GPT. So we are going with GPT, and after that click on start, click on OK, again OK, and it will start writing the image on the USB drive. Image writing is complete now. Close the window, and now we need to make some spaces for the Linux installation. Now if you have separate drive, you can use that, but in our case we have only one drive, which is the C drive. So for that we need to extract some volume from the C drive. So we need to go to the disk management. Close the window, right click on Windows Start and open disk management. So from this window, we can extract some volume for Linux installation. Select this C drive, right click and select shrink volume. So we want to extract about 80 GB from the C drive on which we will install our Linux. So we have to enter the amount here in MB. So open calculator. So 80 GB which multiply by 1024, so the amount is 81920. So we will simply enter 81920 and click on shrink, and as you can see 80 GB has been extracted from C drive. So we will use this 80 GB for Linux installation. Close the window, and now insert the USB drive and restart the machine. On restart, you need to enter into the boot menu. So you have to press the boot menu key repeatedly. And as you can see, we have entered into the boot menu, and from here you need to select the USB drive. So first you can see Windows Boot Manager, and after that we have our USB disk. So select this USB drive, and as you can see, the Fedora installation wizard has come up. Select the first option, which is Start Fedora KDE, and press enter. So the Fedora image is loading up. It will take some time. Okay, so we are on the Fedora Live desktop. Now from here you can try the Fedora Linux without needing to install the Fedora Linux on your hard disk. As our intention is to install the Fedora Linux on our hard disk, so we'll simply click on this install to hard drive option. Okay, so from here you need to select the language and click on next. Okay, so this screen is important because from here you have to choose the option carefully. So the first option is for the dual boot operating system. After that we have the second option, use native disk. So you can use this option if you want to install Fedora on the entire hard disk. And after that you can manually set the mount point. So in our case we want to do the dual boot installation. So for that we will go with the first option. And after that click on next. Again click on next. Now there is a warning, as you can see, that the EFI partition is less than 500 MB. This is because Windows 11, because in Windows it uses less than 500 MB. So simply go ahead and click on next. And click on install. So the installation process has started and it will take some time. Okay, so the installation is complete now. Exit the window. And now we need to restart the computer. So from the Fedora menu, click on restart. Now click on restart now. And as you can see, we have the new boot menu, and let the Fedora start automatically. And now we have to do the post-install setup. So let's begin the setup. Click on begin setup. Select the language. Select the keyboard layout. And from here you can choose the dark theme. We will keep it as it is. Click on next. And now enter the name. Now set a password. Confirm the password. And click on next. After that click on next and select the time zone and click on finish. Now once again enter the password to enter into the desktop. Okay, so we are on the Fedora desktop. And now you can start using Fedora Linux. Okay, so once again restart the computer and let's see if we have the dual boot option. Okay, so we are on the boot menu, and as you can see we have different options. The first option is for the Fedora Linux, and after that the third option is for the Windows Boot Manager. So if we select this option, our Windows 11 should load up. So let's check if everything is fine. And the Windows has started, so that means everything is working fine. Now we have dual boot machine and we can use the OS we want. So that was it. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.